Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Mrs. Pooja Chandran.
Okay, and where do you stay?
We have just recently moved to Pune. I'm here from Bombay, but here we are residing in Vishrantpur.
So, how old is your child?
She is 2.10.
So, what kind of activities were you looking out for her?
So, ideally, when we moved to Pune, she was in Kidsy from Bombay, and was looking for a school that not only involved only educational activities, writing, reading. That is something that we take care of at home completely. So my child is very good with her communications. What we wanted is more of outdoor activities. She's more fond of music, so more of outdoor activities basically.
Okay, so what are the options you considered for the same?
So ideally, because she was in Kidsy in Mumbai, when we moved to Pune, I went around all the Kidsy branches here. So I went to the Kharadi branch, I went to the Dhanori branch. Not at all happy with the kind of schools that Kidsy as a brand has here in Pune. Is definitely in Bombay, they are great. And definitely went around a few local schools in Vishrantpur because I was just trying to find something good near the school. But nothing really worked well. We're just walking through the schools here in Kalyani Nagar and Brompton and Kidapur. Somehow liked the school interior, the teachers, chose the school, and now we're sending her here. We're happy with the school.
Okay. So, how's your experience been? Could you tell us two good things about Kidapur?
Yeah, experience has been wonderful. Best thing I'd like to highlight is that the teachers take complete ownership and kids feel at home here. That's what I feel. So a lot of personal attention is given to each kid here as well.
Okay.
And the second good thing is the concert that I attended for Kidapur was amazing. So my daughter joined Kidapur in November, December, and they had their concert somewhere in April, May. So she attended the school, I guess, for 3.5 months, and the performance was amazing. So I would not give 100% to my daughter. 50-60%, yeah, she is very outgoing.
Okay.
But it is more come from the teachers. The rapport was created so well. She performed wonderfully on at the stage. That was wonderful.
Okay.
And that was one day where I decided, yeah, that for the next year I want to keep her in Kidapur. The concert was very good.
Okay. So, would you have any suggestion for Kidapur?
So far so good. When I had just put my daughter in Kidapur, so within a month and a half, there was an observation about the language which I had passed on to the school, and I think they've worked on it wonderfully. So the communication is done in English irrespective of whatever. So as of now, I don't see any AOI for Kidapur. But yes, definitely, if I have something, I'll pass on to the school.
Okay. So how likely are you to recommend Kidapur to other parents on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest?
So I hunted for schools in Pune like for 1.5 months. I would not rate it less than a 4.
Okay.
Definitely.
So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.